Want to play Minecraft for Windows with multiplayer? Here's how. First, get the official Minecraft trial from the Microsoft Store or Xbox website. Next, head over to AnkerGames and get the game files. Before moving them, make sure to exclude your Xbox Games folder from antivirus, usually located in your C drive. Now, place the files into the correct game directory. Once done, launch the game from your start bar. And yes, multiplayer works too. You can invite your friends directly using the Xbox Game Overlay.